Good morning, everyone. Muriel here. I just wanted to come and show you guys these candy boxes that I made. I only made 3. And these were shown over on Bonus channel, Live, Love, Scrap. So I encourage you to go over to her channel and look at that tutorial. Very easy to make. So this is the candy punch board that I used. It's by We Are Memory Keepers. And it's really easy, the instructions on how to create many different sizes. Like the width will stay the same, but you can make them as long as you want, right? You can make them long enough for straws. You can make them long enough for wands. I don't know if a wand will be able to get inside one little box. But again, like Bona, she figured out how to make it a 3-sided candy box, so I'm sure it can be done. So here they are. Again, I just made 3. Here is the first one. I closed each box with some twine that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. This is the twine I picked up. I found it when they were having their clearance sale. It's like packing thread. I have so much of it. I'm so glad I picked it up. And then whatever was left over from me cutting it, I thought it would be great to use on buttons. You know, when you, button is nice when it has a thread through it. So I was keeping those. I closed each candy box with that, and then I gathered them together, and then I used some of this silver eyelash trim with red twine. I'm using one of my labels that I have in my stash. And the paper pad, let me show you, the paper pad is really pretty. It's called Valentine's. And one of those paper pads to just have those large images on it. That's all you'll find on here, large images. So I'm going to make some paper bags with these also because it is so pretty. I think this is a Tuesday morning. No, this was a Michael's. I found this at Michael's. And then I am using these letters from Thickers. This is called Sweetest. And it had the XOXOXOXO down at the bottom. So I used those and just put them on top of felt hearts that I have from my stash. And kind of decorated it like that. Inside each box is about 3 pieces of candy. Didn't want to overload the person with a bunch of candy. But they will definitely have to open the box. Maybe cut the string. If they didn't want to destroy the box. And there's also some crinkling in it, some red and white crinkling. So yeah, that was the first one. Let's see here. The second one, I used another paper pad. It's the Yours Truly. I believe it's this one. Yes. I've used this so much. I used it last year, maybe year before last. I still have lots left. I still love it. I just love the softness of this paper collection. And that one looks like this. Same thing. I used the felt hearts on here. I just used the letters and spelled out sweet. I glued the letters, put them with some glue, not hot glue, but glue because I wanted them to stay on. Again, another sticker, tag, and some of the pink eyelash trim. Really cute. I love this paper collection. And the word sweet came from these stickers. These are Celebrate by American Craft. And you definitely have to use some glue on these because they don't stick as well as they should. Okay, so that was the second one. The third one, I used the same thicker sheet, but I used this paper collection. Another one that I love. Love Notes by Crepe Paper. Absolutely love this. Every time I think about the things that I made with this paper pad, it makes me smile because it's just so pretty, so soft. And here is the third candy box. Same thing. I used this heart here. It already had this gem on it. And then I used some paper hearts that I had in my stash. And I spelled out the word happy using the thickers, and I had to glue those down as well. So all these hearts, I tried to pull out the same size hearts that I had, and these have that stitch line through them. And again, just spells out happy, but gorgeous paper pad. And inside, of course, again, probably 3 pieces of candy in each box. So those are my candy boxes that I made, you guys. I think I'm going to make some more because I have so much candy left over. But I think I'm going to make single boxes. So these will go to some special folks. And then I will have some single boxes in a big bowl on my desk for Valentine's Day. And if anybody wants one, they're going to have to pick up a candy box, open it up, and get the candy. Again, here is the punch board. Candy box punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. So easy. This little arrow here is raised up, so when you bring your paper across, your angle is going to fit on that, as well as when you punch it on this side, these are raised. So I just thought it was really, because when you flip it over, you want your diamonds and your everything to line up, and it really makes it easy, the fact that those few things are raised up. So I thank you guys for watching. I am still working on more projects. I appreciate you enjoying this Valentine series. Please leave me a comment down below if you're new to my channel. This is Miss Cooper's Coop, and until my next video, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.